Hello everybody, this is PotterD04, and in my previous video, what was it, the Glow and Mo mod review, I don't know if all of you believe that I made that mod, but I'm going to prove it by reviewing the mod that I'm currently working on. Let me close out of that. In a program called Eclipse. That's what I use to make my mods. So, yeah. And I am going to be making an updated version of that mod. Now with an update, it is still in version 1.0, and I'm just going to make another video so it doesn't have that big old annoying screen flick thing. It'll be in a new world and everything's new. So SRC, this program is called Eclipse, and that's what I use. So the mod I'm making is called PotterD04's Arctic Biome mod. I know there are a lot of other Arctic biome mods, but this is mine. What I'm making. I don't know if I'm gonna figure out how to post stuff in the download. If anyone does know, can you please tell me? For those of you that know how to mod and you know what all of this means. Yeah, so I'm just going to go over this before I review the mod in Minecraft. So right here, this is where I declare the biome. This is the biome. This is where I declare the biome. Public static, biome gen base, my biome 1. Okay? And then let's get on to that entity later. That's a part of the entity, still part of that entity. Declare the new egg, that's part of the entity. Okay, let's go to the load section. Load the biome. My biome 1 equals new my biome. Forgot what that means. Game registry dot add biome my biome 1. That's just loaded the biome into Minecraft. That's part of the entity. Okay. And don't worry about this. I just removed all the biomes for now so that it'll be easy to find my biome. And then there's nothing in the extra methods section. Yeah. Oh, recipe section. This should be in. Sorry about this. I'm just gonna quickly change that. Go up. Sorry. Just a little mistake in my code. Well, this is proof that I do actually code. Control copy. Come up here. Control V. Sweet, and we got all that in the place where it should be. Now we can delete this right here. And I might make another biome mod. I might make biomes for, and more mods for other biomes, stuff like that. I know they already have I forgot what biome it's called. Let me check. It's probably going to be in here. I can't think of what it's called, but yeah. So that's the main.java. Main.java is where I keep all my, the main code. Okay, close down main.java. Yes, save changes. We don't have to go over proxies. I don't have any items yet. No armor yet. I have some stuff in biome and in .entity_cow. An entity is like a monster or an animal. Let's go over the entity. So right now this just has the cow entity. I copy and pasted that from the Minecraft source code. So the code that just the Minecraft code. So my biome.java. This biome, let's go over this. Package my biome, that shows where this is, and then that, let's just skip all down to this. This set biome name, parentheses, blah, 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 Arctic. It doesn't look at this. Eclipse doesn't look at this. The Java doesn't read that. So it's saying set this biome name to Arctic. And then this is like setting what the biome's made of. So the top layer is ice. And then the bottom, the filler block, the block on top, like there would be dirt in the plains biome, this is ice. And then the filler block, which would be also dirt in the plains biome, is water still. So that's just like still water. But it does tend to move. Okay. biome decorator. This like adds trees and plants and stuff like that. So trees per chunk, 1, but nothing spawns because it's on ice. So this does spawnable creature list dot add new. Yeah, that makes it so that it can spawn my entity. I'll show you that in a second. And it makes it so that it's got a 25% chance of spawning, and it'll spawn in groups from 4 to 8. And this just shows how high it'll be. The min-max height is 0.1 float is the min, and then the max is 0.5 float. Float is just a variable, if I can think straight. So, set temperature and rainfall. This is the temperature, so I put that really down low because this is the Arctic biome, and the percentage of rainfall is 3.0 float. And forgot to say float for the temperature, but yeah. So if it rains in under a certain temperature, it'll be snow. So yeah, I had to put that down low. So there's the Arctic biome. I think I went over the entity. Yeah, I think that's just about everything. Let's see. I think I went over this. Yeah, I went over this. Just a note about my skin. I made that way before I knew all these tips for making textures. So I'm going to show you my polar bear texture. It is not very good. And I use the cow model because I don't know how to use Techni. That's a program to make models. GIMP, yeah. Use GIMP to start it. Okay, it's starting up. Looking for data files. Sorry about my horrible screensaver. I need to get that updated. GIMP. In fact, I need to get a new one. I used to have a good one, but that did not really work. Okay, it's gonna take a second. Okay, sorry about my horrible texturing. I didn't spend much time on this, and it looks horrible in Minecraft, and I need to edit this texture. But it's kind of hard to see all the little differences. But they're there. I use the brush tool, and they're pretty hard to see because they're just site changes, and I need to change that up a bit. So yeah, this is my polar bear texture in GIMP. So yeah, GIMP is it's a photo editing program. So there you got the assets are pictures. So I got all that done. Just about it. So it's run Minecraft from Eclipse, so I won't have like my skin and my PotterD04 thing. But you can run it from inside of Minecraft. This is a work in progress mod, as I have noted at the beginning of this video. So look, setting user player 312. So that's not my name. So Minecraft 1.6.4. This does not work with 1.7.2. Unfortunately, at the moment. It always happens when I load up my Minecraft, by the way. Just a note about something. There's one of the guys that I subscribe to, his name is Steven M. He has a bunch of random videos. Go check out his channel. Yeah. Just search it in channels. Okay, so look. So mods. PotterD04's Arctic biome mod. Got cut off. Okay, single player. Going to my new world because this is already generated. But I'll make a new one after I show you this. Well, I think I'm by some spawned entities that were spawned. Well, duh, an entity is going to be spawned. See, look, see? Welcome to my horrible polar bear texture. Hello, badly textured polar bear. And this is very, very laggy for me right now. Just a note. Do you want to watch the video? I hope you do, because I'm not giving you any wheat. and you don't follow wheat, guess what you do follow? There is something that I did edit in the, like, for their entity, in their their entity class. I made it so that, what was it, beef? No, not beef. Beef. They follow beef and cooked beef. No, not cooked beef. Steak. So, yeah. They follow, like, see, look, they won't come to spawn one. I really need to edit the egg texture. See, look, they won't come to wheat. See, look, it's like, what the heck is wheat? Yeah, they won't come to wheat. But look, if I hold out the raw beef, they come. And I haven't made it so that they can eat it yet, and it puts them in love mode. Yeah, that's what it's called in the code. So, yeah, and they come to cooked beef, too. Raw beef? Cooked beef. Ooh, cooked beef. You want the cooked beef? No, you can't have the cooked beef. Because you can't eat it yet. That happens to me all the time. Has that ever happened to you? Slash times asset. I'm not speaking French. I don't know why I said I'm not speaking French. It just came to my mind. A language that I don't know how to speak. French. So, yeah, they'll follow the cooked beef. That's one of the things that I've edited from the cow entity. Yeah, so survival inventory. See, look, I don't have my PotterD04's skin. I'm in Eclipse. Yeah, so that's pretty much all I've got in this mod. So far, you got the biome. Come down here into the water. Just to make sure that I'm not telling you I made this mod and the biome, I created the biome. I have proof. See, look, watch. F3. See, look, up there where it would usually say, like, the biome name, it doesn't say, like, plains or something. It says Arctic. And when I showed you in the code that set this biome name Arctic. So, yeah, I didn't just build this, and this will randomly generate, but there is something in the code that just gets all laggy with the remove all other biomes. They, like, the beach and the river still tend to spawn. And the taiga spawns too. And the icy mountains and, yeah, all that stuff. So, yeah, these guys will spawn naturally in this biome, but in the next mod update, in the version, I'm just going to have the polar bear in this, in the first release, but in the version 1.2, I'm going to be adding, okay, never mind. Version 1.0 is going to have the polar bear entity finished and the biome, just like how it is right now. But then I'll make I might edit the biome a little bit, I don't know. But then in version 1.2, I'm going to be adding the Arctic fox, which is going to be shaped like a wolf. So the wolf model, you know, I'm not going to share the next updates, but I have them all planned out. So that's basically just what I've got for this mod that I'm working on. And I'll be doing another mod review for my other one, because that was a horrible mod review. So I'm running low on time, and I'll be making another video that's on the internet that shows the company that taught me how to code. So it's PotterD04. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.